Hi, I'm Brad Sherwin, Technical Agronomist for DeKalb Asgrow, and welcome to the Agronomy Minute. Farming is all about risk and reward. Each year you invest money in renter land payments, seed, herbicide, insecticide, fungicides, and fertilizers. Our job is to help you navigate all the decisions you need to make so you come out ahead financially. Now in today's episode, we're going to talk about anthracnose. Now it's not uncommon to find anthracnose leaf blight on the bottom leaves of corn seedlings in corn-on-corn fields. This fungus survives in corn residue, and spring rains splash spores onto the corn seedlings, infecting the bottom 4 to 5 leaves. There has been some speculation that anthracnose leaf blight could serve as a source of inoculum for anthracnose stalk rot. In addition, the fungus often infects leaves showing potassium deficiency. Now, a few points to remember. Number 1, anthracnose leaf blight is characterized by oval-shaped spots up to about a half an inch in length, with a dark brown or purplish border that are often surrounded by a yellowed zone. Now sometimes these spots are limited to leaf margins. There may be black speckles within the dead tissue, which resemble porcupine-like structures when viewed with a 20-power hand lens. Now these are the fruiting structures of the fungus, within which masses of spores are produced in a gelatinous matrix. Now the disease cycle, there are 3 distinct phases of anthracnose disease: leaf blight, top dieback, and stalk rot. Now, anthracnose leaf blight can cause significant damage to very young plants and contribute to post-emergence stand loss. Disease development is less likely on rapidly expanding leaves. The lesions that develop on the lower leaves of the plant provide a source of inoculum or spores for subsequent infections of leaves higher up on the plant and the stalk. Stalk wounds allow anthracnose to infect and colonize the vascular system of the corn plant, and under favorable conditions, the vascular infections can result in anthracnose top dieback. This is typically with high temperatures and frequent rains, or stalk rot, which is high temperatures and plant stress following pollination. Now, favorable environmental conditions for disease development include warm temperatures between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, high relative humidity, and periodic rainfall. Extended periods of high humidity are required for sporulation of the fungus. The spores are dispersed to host tissues in splashing raindrops. Now, as far as disease management, anthracnose leaf blight is always more severe in corn-on-corn fields. Fields with a high incidence of the leaf blight phase should be scouted for anthracnose stalk rot later in the season. If exposed to abundant inoculum under favorable environmental conditions, they develop anthracnose. Resistant hybrids are commercially available. However, resistance to the leaf blight phase is not highly correlated to resistance of the stalk rot phase. Tillage reduces the risk of disease by incorporating infected crop debris into the soil where the fungus is less able to survive since it is a poor competitor. As you are making your post-corn application over the next week to 10 days, consider adding fungicide to the tank mix to maximize your yield, especially if anthracnose or other foliar diseases are present. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for taking time to watch our video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when we post our next video. And lastly, hit that thumbs up so we can bring you more agronomic content. We really appreciate it.